Today, we're diving deep into the Qwen Code CLI, a groundbreaking agentic coder from Alibaba that's set to revolutionize your development workflow. This week has been absolutely monumental for Alibaba. Just recently, we witnessed the launch of their upgraded Qwen 3 model, which completely shattered previous benchmarks, setting new state-of-the-art results across the board. It outperformed major players like Claude, Sonnet, and Gemini 1.5 Pro in critical areas such as math, coding, science, and reasoning. But then, just yesterday, things got even crazier. They dropped their latest agentic code model, aptly named Qwen 3 Coder. And trust me, this might be their most advanced release yet. Qwen 3 Coder is truly a marvel of engineering. It comes in multiple sizes and is built on a mixture of experts architecture, boasting a massive 480 billion parameters with a highly efficient 35 billion active during inference. This ingenious design allows it to deliver insane performance without overwhelming your compute resources. And the results speak for themselves. Qwen 3 Coder has set a new state-of-the-art score, not just against top open-source models, but also against proprietary ones in agentic coding, agentic browser use, and general tool use. This isn't just about being competitive. Qwen 3 Coder is comparable to Claude Sonnet in agent-like reasoning and task automations, all while being completely open source. Just take a look at these benchmark scores. You can clearly see Qwen 3 Coder outperforming open-based models, as well as proprietary giants like Claude Sonnet and OpenAI's GPT-4.5. On a multitude of benchmarks, from SWE Bench verified to SpiderAd, encompassing browser use and agentic tool use. Here's a mind-blowing demo that showcases a bouncing ball in a rotating Hypercube simulation. Qwen 3 Coder was able to generate this in a single shot, complete with a stunning visualization and controls for rotation and ball speed. It's truly incredible to see an open-source model capable of such sophisticated tasks, and what's even better is how quickly and efficiently it handles these complex requests in one go. But that's not all. Alongside the release of the Qwen 3 Coder model, Alibaba also unveiled a powerful new open-source developer tool that pairs perfectly with their coding model. Introducing the new Qwen Code CLI tool. This is a command-line AI workflow tool based on the Gemini CLI framework, essentially replicating the powerful capabilities of tools like Claude Code and other CLI solutions, but it's fully optimized for the Qwen 3 Coder. The Qwen Code CLI boasts enhanced parser support, extended tool capabilities that make it an invaluable asset for developers tackling complex codebases. It offers better codebase understanding and editing, seamless workflow automation, and enhanced parsing specifically built to ensure superior performance and smarter edits. This is something we're going to download today and walk you through the setup process. Running out of time and fresh design ideas? Well, meet KD Flows, the fastest way to go from sketch to final designs in seconds. You can turn any idea into endless variations with a single click. Explore layouts, colors, and styles, all without starting over. Need to design at scale? KD Flows lets you create full sets, mockups, or UI assets, all perfectly matching your brand. Start from a template, a sketch, or even a single idea. With KD Flows, creativity literally flows. And right now, it's free to try. Even better, post your flow design and tag KD to unlock up to 300 bonus AI credits. KD Flows makes you 10 times more creative, allowing you to instantly explore multiple ideas and directions with a single click. Got a concept? KD Flows shows you what it could look like with different variations, and it does it incredibly fast. Design faster, explore deeper. KD Flows is your new secret weapon, and it's ready when you are. Start your flow at k.com with the link in the description below. And when you share your creation, make sure you tag KD and get those 300 free credits. With that thought, let's get right back into today's video. Now, before we get started, you're going to need to make sure you have the prerequisites fulfilled. First, ensure you have Node.js, the latest version, installed on your system. Once that's done, simply head over to the GitHub repository, which I'll link in the description below. You have two installation options: using npm or installing from the source. For this demonstration, we'll simply use the npm command. What I'm going to do now is open up my WSL and paste in this npm install command to get it installed onto my computer. Once this is complete, we can easily verify the installation. Just copy and paste this command into your terminal, and you'll see that it's now installed. To start it up, simply run the Qwen command within your terminal, and it should launch right away. This is where you'll be prompted to set up the theme and the API. Go ahead and configure all these settings. For the API configuration, a quick heads up: if you're in mainland China, you can apply for the API key directly through the link provided. But if you're not, like me, you can simply go over to Model Studio, which I'll also link in the description below, and set up your API configurations there. Get your key, and then you can set it within the API config file. Now, here's a fantastic alternative. You can also use an API key from OpenRouter because it is OpenAI compatible. You simply need to paste in your OpenRouter key or your ModelScope key that you obtain from Alibaba's cloud team. Once that's done, you can then paste in the OpenAI base URL and then the model, which I'll showcase how it looks when I set it up with OpenRouter. And this is essentially how it would look: your API key, the base URL, and then the model card, which is the Qwen 3 coder. All you have to do is simply click enter, and you can start accessing this powerful model using the OpenRouter provider. It's as easy as that, folks. Remember, you have two excellent options: ModelScope as well as OpenRouter. Now that we're all set up, let's start using this incredible tool. There are several ways to get started. You can simply type anything in natural language, and then you can ask questions, edit files, or run commands. For a more customized interaction with Qwen Code, you can also create a qwen.md file. And of course, if you click on Help, you'll be able to see all the different commands and functionalities available. But before I even get to that, let's highlight some of its key capabilities. You can integrate Qwen Code directly into your codebase, leveraging it for code refactoring or optimization. It's also incredibly useful for documentation and testing. This is where you can truly harness the parsing and agent capabilities of Qwen 3 coder to assist you with even the largest and most complex codebases. In terms of performance and speed, it's remarkably quick. You'll see that it's able to autonomously work with you, helping you prototype in multiple ways. In this instance, I simply said, create a SaaS landing page, and it immediately began developing it. And there we go. We have our AI-generated SaaS landing page, which looks pretty decent. It nailed the base structure, added animations, and generated it all within a matter of seconds. If you liked this video and would love to support the channel, please consider donating through the Super Thanks option below. Or, you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news, exclusive content, and much, much more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on this new Qwen Code CLI. I genuinely think it's an awesome tool with a lot of added benefits over many of the other solutions we've seen. Obviously, this is a new release, so keep in mind that it might face some initial issues. But overall, if you're looking for an open source solution that's affordable and has a strong understanding of your codebase, you absolutely want to use this. It's something that will significantly enhance your development workflow. I'll leave all the necessary links in the description below so you can easily get started. With that thought, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you take a look at our second channel if you haven't already. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, like this video, and take a look at our previous videos, because there's a ton of content there that you will truly benefit from.